how to enable answer calls automatically. So if you have incoming calls and you want your Samsung phone to answer those incoming calls automatically without you having to touch your phone in any way, here's where you can go to find this feature. You'll first want to make sure you are using the default dialer app from Samsung and go into it. And once you're here, go ahead and tap on the three dots right here. Once you see this happen, go to Settings. And under the Settings section, you'll go down all this and go to where it says Answering and Ending Calls over here. Once you tap on that, you'll see all these different options, and one of them is going to be the Answer Automatically. So you can choose to go ahead and turn it on from here, or once you turn it on, you can go here and turn it on if you haven't done so yet from here, and you can choose how much seconds it takes to automatically answer. So this is gonna automatically answer incoming calls after a set time while a headset or Bluetooth is connected. So it will only work if you have something connected to your phone at a time. But if nothing's connected at the time, you won't get that auto answer, which is going to be great because, well, you might not be near your phone and it automatically answers. So that's why it's only going to work with a headset or Bluetooth connected. So you can choose how long it takes to automatically answer. You got 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and you have the custom time in which you can just type in the amount of time that you want it to be. Maybe instead of 3, maybe 4 seconds, and you can just set the time and you'll now have it automatically answer to that amount of seconds set. And finally, you can just go ahead and turn it off if you don't want this feature at all. Like I said.